Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the new session 2021 to 2022. How are you students? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. As you know students that everyone has its own family. I have also my family, and in my family there is my husband and my 4 children. And I know that in your family there is your mom, your dad and your brother and your sisters. As everyone has its own family, similarly everyone has a lots of friends. I have also lots of friends, and I know that you have also your lots of friends. And someone keep their pets as its friend. So in this lesson we are going to study about the family and the friends, and I am going to tell you an interesting story about Uncle Umar's family and his friends. Okay, let's start. So take out the page number 2 of your English Oxford Progressive book, the unit 1, family and friends. Okay students, I am going to tell you an interesting story about Uncle Umar's family and his friend. One day Uncle Umar brought some friends along with him. He kept them in the garden outside the house and he liked them very much. But the other members of the family did not like Uncle Umar's friends. Why? Do you know? These were the reptiles and these were the crocodiles. Yes, okay. The other family members did not like them, and Auntie Farida was the wife of Uncle Umar. She did not like his friends. She said to Uncle Umar, I do not like your friends and I do not like these because they will eat my feet. So Uncle Umar replied her, nonsense, they were very friendly. They will not eat the feet of anyone else. But similarly, Grandpa also did not like Uncle Umar's friends, and he said, why do you have these friends with you, Umar? They were stinking, they were smell bad. But Uncle Umar did not agree with Grandpa, and Grandpa continuously tried Uncle Umar to convince that take out these reptiles from the house because they were frightened the pets of Grandpa. Do you know who were the pets of the Grandpa? Monkeys were the pet of the Grandpa, and they became frightened from the crocodiles, and the friends of Grandpa also did not came to their house due to these reptiles. And similarly, the grandma also did not like Uncle Umar's friend. She said to Uncle Umar, Umar, take away these crocodiles from the house. They became very dangerous and they afraid my kitten. Do you know who was the kitten? Kitten was the little child. You can say that the kitten was the baby kid, little child of the cat. So she became very afraid that the crocodiles eat her kitten. But Uncle Umar said to her mother, no mama, they will not eat your kitten. One day, do you know what happened? A burglar came to the house. Do you know who was the burglar? Burglar was the thief, the robber, a person who steals things from the house. So one day the burglar came to the house and tried to steal the television from the house. But when the burglar took away the television from the house, the crocodile caught the leg of the burglar and stopped him. And finally the whole family sit together and watch the television along with Uncle Umar, and Uncle Umar sat and tried to convince their family that now I can keep the crocodiles. So the family said, yes, you can keep the crocodile, because they were friendly and they will not harm to anyone. I hope students you were enjoying the story, and now I am going to tell you which exercises you have to do. So take out the page number 4 from the book. Look at here. There were many colorful pictures on your book, and you have to do the exercise number A, page number 4. You have to match the sentences according to the story which I was told you, and on page number 5 you have to do the exercise number 3. Answer the question with the short answer. For example, does Uncle Umar like crocodiles? So the answer is yes, he does. Okay, I am going to tell you when you use do and does. Do and does. When you use she and he, you can use does and it. With any singular person you can use does, okay? And do you can use with they, with the plural person. With plural you can use do, and with the singular you can use does. So you have to write the short answers. The question number 1 is, does Auntie Farida like crocodile? Auntie Farida is a singular person and she is the lady. So you can write the answer in yes, she does, or she does not. And also make the sentences. The first word for the sentence, you can make any sentence by yourself. Car, star, mother, teacher, flower. I am making the sentence by myself and you can make the sentence by yourself. For example, car, I have red car. Simple as that. Star, star is shining brightly. Mother, I love my mother. You can make any other sentence also. My mother cooks very delicious food. Okay, teacher, I like my teacher very much. Or you can make I respect my teacher. Flower, Rose is the king of all flowers. Or you can make I like rose flower. Okay students, there are 2 copies in your course. One is for English text and other is for English grammar or English language. One copy is for text and the other one is for English language. When you see your PDF or when you check out your PDF, so some exercises are done for the text copy. So you have to do these exercises in text copy along with the pages. And some exercises are given according to the language copy. So you have to do these exercises in language copy. Okay students, I hope you understand it betterly and I will catch you in the next class. So Allah Hafiz.